Hello to you guys. So today I'm here with another question for you, and the question is, what were you doing yesterday at 8 p.m.? Option A, I was playing basketball. Option B, I am playing basketball. And option C, I played basketball. Pause the video and answer the question. So the correct answer is I was playing basketball. So I here is the subject. Then we have was or were. Was comes for he, she, it, and I. And were comes for we, you, and they. Then we have playing, which is verb plus ing. So again, subject, was or were plus verb ing. So when should I use it? An action was happening at a specific time in the past. Like at 8 a.m. yesterday, I was doing my homework. Number two, when it was interrupted by another action in the past, like I was doing my homework when my mom called me. So we use simple past for the action that interrupts the thing that was happening. Three, two actions happening at the same time, like I was doing my homework while my sister was playing the violin. A quick quiz, so you have to fill in the blank. They blank, then we have play, basketball at 6 p.m. yesterday. They were playing. Well done, perfect. Now it's your turn to answer this question in the comment section down below. What were you doing yesterday at 6 p.m.? If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Take care and have fun.